Hi. Welcome to my thingy do.
Dude, every time this comes on, I just so good. So we're back, part two. God, I just so good. All right, so last episode, fiddle with it, like the game, more of a traditional wrestling game. Guys, see the first part? Just wait, you can pick every time. Interesting, but I'm gonna pick what I've been doing tonight. So feature bout. Oh, it's just like I pick who I fight. Okay, these are just like random characters just added or whatever. It doesn't matter. I'll just fight whoever. It's fine. Alright, but yeah, back playing the game. Ooh, new venue. It's like a warehouse. Okay. I love this game so far, man. I don't like the feral thing that I'm fighting, whatever this is. It just growled at me. That was kind of gross. Anyways, yeah. His name's Sketch because he's sketchy. You get it? Fucking stupid. But no, this game's fun though. What was interesting though is I went into like the single player but like offline mode. Wow. The just verse AI, not the story mode. And apparently, if you don't have a profile logged in, because I was just trying to see like you don't have people unlocked. So I wonder like for tournaments if they did that for this game, like would you have to have two profiles? Or am I power bomb the shit out of you? Nah, I can count. I can shit. Good shit. Good shit. Okay. Okay. Nah. All right, buddy. Time to eat shit. Meaty face plant. Thug of Discord. Oh, okay. I highly doubt there's countouts in this game. Get the fuck over here. Fight me. There you go. Accept the fact that you're going to become one with the deadness. I'm a lot more awake than last time I played this game. I can tell because I'm rambling, which is a good Oh. Oh, almost like a GB, like a clothesline from hell. That was pretty good. Okay, you can die now. The meaty knee bar. That's it, son. You're doing great. You're killing him. Get up. Oh, he is mega groggy. Oh my god. But he Russian legs with me. What the fuck? I probably should just pin him, to be honest. Or just punch him right in the mouth. I like how you do like the Chris Jericho, like the step on him and flex. You know, the classic. I even have to use my vertebraker, bro. But it was fun beating him up, though. It's like the whole point of the game is to kill him. Okay. That's rude. I have 10 there. I need some more damage here, buddy. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so I keep fighting. Okay, I just roughneck. Weird name. It's like, why would I want the chick that's being a total bitch when I had someone that was clearly interested? What? Okay, he's got the fucking Confederate flag on his pants. Why? You're stereotyping yourself there, buddy. Especially with a name like Roughneck. This is the part where I kill you, I guess. Tiger suplex. Okay. I see you. Got him an MJF like armbar. We take that. But yeah, as far as wrestling news goes, like actual like WWE stuff, I'm pretty excited. As I'm recording this, the Elimination Chamber, we're slowly getting all the entrances like figured out for like who's gonna be in the chamber. I gotta say, I was talking with a coworker of mine, because a lot of my coworkers also like pro wrestling, which is really nice. One of them guessed Jey Uso was going to win the Rumble. And he did. I was like, that's awesome. And I guessed that Joe Hendry was going to come out as one of the surprise entries. I feel like you had to, right? Like, he's Impact World Champion. I love Joe Hendry. I have 2 Joe Hendry t-shirts already. Like, that guy's great. Oh, good counter. Ow. But yeah. I'm not sure who you have win the chamber, though. Like, because they're really teasing this Logan Paul CM Punk thing. But it really depends on what John Cena wants to do, I think. Because, like, I don't know if, like, this is, like, after Mania, he's done. Or if it's the year itself as a whole. Because, you know, him beating Ric Flair's WWE record of 16 World Championships. And apparently he has, like, 18 or something, he said in an interview with Chris Van Vliet. I don't know, man. Like, does he want to break it? Because honestly, I don't know. But I mean, I'd be okay with him doing it. But depends on what he wants to do, really. I think John Cena's earned the right to have some say and stuff. So. But yeah, I'm excited. I still really want Drew to get a championship, like a world championship, when it's not a COVID era, though. I really like Drew, man. He's got the look, he's got the mic skills. I like him as like the Scottish psychopath. Like I love it. I think he's great. Like I don't know. Because I was also kind of hoping, I was telling this to somebody else as well, that you'd have Kevin Owens beat Cody for the, like, hypothetically, it didn't happen, of course. Have Cody lose to Kevin Owens, right? Have KO beat him in that ladder match they had in the Rumble. And then you have Sami Zayn win the Rumble and have them fight at Mania. I thought that would have been pretty cool, but, you know, didn't happen either, so, you know, get off of me. But yeah, why is this taking longer? What happened? Like, I think I should try to just kill him faster. Top rope. Wait! Oh, he countered it. That's alright. Oh, figure 4. Oh, shit. Ric Flair over here, buddy. Oh, I knocked your ass out, bro. That meaty just chop. That was good. I like that. We should do that more often. Rock, buddy. I think I should try to pin him. Damn, okay. Well, the good news is it looks like I must get my finisher here. As long as I don't royally mess anything up. Like that. Ow. Get up. There we go, okay. Totally meant to do that. I love that DDT, like it's like the Undertaker-esque, like the swinging one he does. It's so good. Ah, dang it! I gambled with the big grapple there. I probably shouldn't have. There we go. Ah, the meaty elbow drops. Let's go, baby. Get up so I can kill you. Except death. Ritter Break is such a cool finisher. Totally probably not safe, well, depending on who does anything, like all of wrestling, but it's a cool ass finisher. Okay. More like he's dead, but you know.
What's up, baby? You must be tense after all that fighting. I don't know.
Well, I'm already taken, so
honey.
goodbye.
This one's taken. But your corny ass? Nah, I think he's ready for a real woman. Ain't you cute?
I'm already taken, buddy. Sorry. I'd rather not have these people fight over me all day.
Bring it on, bitch.
They're already killing each other. That was fast. It's funny you can just select a wild. Insert waifu here. Wait, I just go straight into this?
This is gonna be fun. I want
Oh, okay. So I guess we're killing each other now. Fun fact, in the Def Jam 5 for New York, the best character apparently is Carmen Electra. Like, for tournaments, she's like banned and stuff, which is really fucking hype. Oh, God. Twisting you like a pretzel. You will become the pretzel. Shit. Damn, okay. Shit. No, I need my arms. Those are supposed to stay on me. Scoop slam. Like a dragon sleeper. God damn, okay. Low drop kick. Oh god, the crippler crossface. Do I just kill you doing that? Seems like it. Her jabs are really good, by the way. I could probably end it here, but I want to see what her finisher is. Really bad. Dragon Screw? Okay. Immediate punch. I don't even scream? Okay. Jesus. Jesus!
you just aren't hard enough, baby.
Soccer putted your head off. Jesus. Okay, well that was clean, I guess. You know. Okay, bye. That was... I had an aneurysm from reading that. Anyways, I'm gonna do these two, and yeah, we're gonna go back to our regularly scheduled broadcast of deathmatch wrestling and like a... Why does everybody keep looking at me weird? Like... Okay, Mr. Steelman. Oh my god, he builds meters so fast. Alright, Mr. Steelman, you can stop punching me now. There we go. Okay, good swinging neckbreaker, good stuff. Ah, damn. Ah, God. Get off me. Oh, I thought I... There we go, okay, okay. Yeah, die! This is the part where I kill you or something. I grabbed him out of that. It was... Okay, we take that. I'm still not sure how counters work in this game, to be honest. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that, but pushing the sleeper hold, good. Yeah, how about that? Tiger suplex. Oh, I was kind of hoping to be anything other than a submission because it was already at the ropes, but you know. I've only played this game today and yesterday. Like, yeah, oh god, these gut kicks. There we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get up and nerd. Embrace the deafening of death. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Okay. Okay, congratulations. I'm helping you, you dumb bitch. Fucking tattoo piece of shit. Okay, you look like a really bad Tony Atlas, but okay. Name Razor, but whatever. What do I know? I don't understand how counters work in this game. I'm really just pressing buttons, and sometimes I counter, and sometimes I don't. Punch. Yeah, how does that feel, nerd? Keep slamming the shit out of you. Dang. Come on! Kill the wannabe Tony Atlas. Get him! Oh, okay. Monkey flip. Ah. Damn, that headbutt. With authority, huh? Ugh. Get up, nerd. Oh, okay. Oh, I got him. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Get up, nerd. Weird how that didn't hit him, but okay. There we go. Okay, get up. Get up, nerd. Time to die. Goodbye. Forever and stuff. Okay. Alright, so next one's probably gonna be a actual person from the Def Jam license, and probably I'll do that, and then I'll be it for this part for now. Oh, it's doing okay. Okay. Let's see what you got, buddy. Oh, it's gonna be good.
Please tell me you didn't buy those clothes to impress Angel, because that'd be a serious mistake.
Why am I looking weird?
Pissing off. Oh, D-Mob, hey!
You out of retirement?
Oh, yeah, he's just helping me out. Just these couple of times, on account of my money.
You mean my
Got him.
money needs?
Yeah, that's right. Every time he wins, you get paid. It's good for all of us, D-Mob.
Good for us. But what's he getting out of the deal? Stare all you want.
I don't
little
want
man.
her.
I'm the one making her sweat now.
I don't want her.
Let's make this quick.
Stop it. Forget about him, baby. He means nothing to me.
Yeah, I have a girl, and he just tried to pull a gun on me, so I think I'll pass. Sounds like a weird relationship that I want absolutely nothing to do with. Anyways, let's go to the fun part where we kill each other in a skyscraper. Where the fuck are we? There's... Yeah, I like how Noir has like the has like a, what's it called? The mat has like his. Oh, that's so good. Come on, get up, fight me. Oh. Let's go. Bring the noise, nerd. I missed because I'm kind of bad. Ah! Ow. I like that drop Toho. That's a nice touch. Okay, you can stop punching me. Because I want to do the thing right. Ow. There we go. Hey, good there. Ooh, I countered! Ooh, crazy. Still don't know how counters work. Get up, nerd. I think he's got a lot of health left. He's probably not knocked out, but he's just even gonna hurt you. Oh, yeah. I don't know how to move them away from the ropes. I'm just gonna keep attacking you over and over again because this game is fun as shit. Okay, die! My neck. What neck? I don't have necks now. I need to buy a new neck. Anyways, okay. Damn it. Oof. Okay. Okay, you can get up now. Damn. Like a STO. Crazy move. Okay. I thought I was talking shit, now I'm getting my ass beat. There we go. What? Get off of me. Ow. No. No. Get to the ropes. Damn. How am I not touching the okay, I was gonna say. Okay. Clean. If only. Damn. Get up. There we go. Damn. Ah. I get it. Get out of it. God, the jawbreaker. Oh no. Stop dying. Please stop dying. Where are you going? Weird, but okay. Why am I so stuck? Okay. Am I dead? I think I'm dead. I'm not. Give me the run back. I'm kind of salty over that. Come on. No, give me the run back. I require the run back. If I knew how to, I might have been able to win if I knew how to drag him away from the ropes early on, but I don't, because the tutorials are just videos. Come on. Damn. Come on. There we go. Alright. He's getting really fast. Like, I can't even do, like, the after thing, because he gets up so fast. There we go. There we go. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Die, die, die. Fudge. Oh, I cracked him with that DDT. That was crazy. I really want to knock him out, to be honest, as payback. make an example out of you. And then you die. Oops. Dang it, come on, get up there. Remember one time I strangled you? Hey, good. Oh, yeah. Time to die, buddy. Come on. Rest in peace. You're good. Say goodbye to your soul. Okay. Much better than that first round. We take that. Okay. A rank.
Great match, baby. Come buy me a drink.
Why don't you buy a paper bag for a head while you at it?
Off my property, bitch!
Hey, when are you gonna ditch this chicken head and get a
Why
real-
is so many women doing the fighting
Not after I
thing?
bust your ass.
We'll see about that.
Again? What the fuck is wrong with this part of the game?
This is gonna
I
be
can't just be
sweet,
happy
yeah.
with one person? What? Weird to be honest to me, but whatever. Ow. Hey, why did that stun me so badly? What? Okay, we go. I was gonna say, the fuck? There we go, die. Ow. Wait, I don't understand why. Like, I've had, like, just a few matches, like, you want to switch your girlfriend 12,000 times? Like, no. Like, what? No. The fuck? Kind of wild, actually. Because that's in Fight for New York, but it's not, it's like, you pick initially out of 4, and then you have one thing with Carmen Electra, and that's it. Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. Kind of wild how frequent it is, to be honest. I'm kind of upset I missed. Cool, she has a moonsault though. That's hype. Bam. Alright. Moonsault's hype. Very Tiffany Stratton, right, to be honest. Grown ass slam is wild. Okay, you can die now. No? Okay. You're dead. Goodbye. That fucking kick is crazy. Bye. Fucking wild. It's what DMX is playing. That's actually hysterical. It's literally the same animation. What? That was something. Okay, that's cool and all, but I'm just gonna upgrade and then I got a lot of points. I'm not super worried about speed, but I have a ton of points, so I might as well. 6,000. That's good, sure. So I'm gonna end this part here, guys. It's fun, yeah. Okay, leave now. Whoa, okay, bye.
Ergo. Goodbye, stuffies.